On April 3, 2024, the WHO declared the monkeypox virus as public health emergency of international concern, which is the highest level alert and international health law. Monkeypox PCR detection is the preferred laboratory detection method. Monkeypox virus nucleic acid detection kit PCR-Fluorescence probe method mainly include positive control, negative control, detection buffer A, detection buffer B. Monkeypox virus nucleic acid detection kit is suitable for the detection of virus samples such as body fluids, tissues, and serum. Endogenous internal standard can monitor the whole detection process such as sampling, transportation, extraction, and amplification. Easy to operate, premise amplification solution reduces possible mistakes in the configuration process. Strong compatibility. PCR instruments with FEM and VRC channels are all compatible. The detection lower limit is 500 copies per milliliter, which can detect the currently prevalent Western African and Central African strains. Accurate detection provides a reliable basis for medical decision-making. Choose BIOBASE monkeypox virus nucleic acid detection kit and jointly guard health.